Imagine this. You wake up not to the sound of an alarm clock but to a soft ping, a notification telling you money's just landed in your account. That's right, it's a new day where your retirement doesn't rely on the daily grind. Welcome to a future where payment notifications replace alarm clocks, and your time finally belongs to you. Passive income, isn't that the dream? It's more than buzzwords or online hype. It's the golden ticket to financial freedom in retirement. Picture yourself traveling, dining out, or making memories with grandkids, all without worrying about the next bill. Passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a life where money works for you, not the other way around. Let's talk about digital entrepreneurship. I know, sounds high-tech, but it's simpler than you think. Thanks to the internet, you can set up income streams from anywhere, even your favorite chair, coffee in hand. Whether it's selling ebooks, launching a small store, or sharing your wisdom through online courses, there are endless ways to tap into the digital economy. Your experience and passions are valuable assets. Don't let them go untapped. Building wealth in retirement doesn't take luck, it takes a plan and the right tools. Start small. Explore online platforms designed for retirees. Diversify, maybe a little in online sales, a bit in content creation, and a dash of investments. The goal isn't just to earn, but to create steady, lasting income that supports you year after year. Remember, every great journey starts with a single step. But this isn't just about you, it's about the legacy you create. Imagine your kids and grandkids enjoying the freedom you worked so hard to achieve. Building passive income is about more than money. It's about giving your family choices, opportunities, and a future without financial stress. Start now, and you can build a life of abundance for you and those you love. I want you to be part of this movement. There are thousands of retirees finding new purpose and income online every day. If you're ready to transform your retirement, comment legacy below to join us. Let's build something lasting together. Your retirement, your rules. Take the steps, embrace new possibilities, and watch your dreams become reality. Because you deserve a retirement that's rich in every sense of the word.